It's been a while since I did one of these screencast-o-matic things, but here we go. It will be explained that Hubble's law contradicts the general theory of stellar metamorphosis in reference to determination of quasar distance. Hubble's law states that an object's distance to Earth can be measured by its redshift. This means that quasars can be measured to be 100 times the radiance of a fully formed ancient galaxy such as the Milky Way, as Hubble's law places quasars many billions of light years distant to Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, quasars are not at their proposed redshift distance. According to stellar metamorphosis, quasars are young galaxies and do not possess the radiance of a fully formed spiral galaxy. Thus, the object is probably vastly closer than what Hubble's law dictates. This means the method for distance determination via Hubble's law is invalid for quasars. According to stellar metamorphosis, quasar distances should be recalculated according to Mr. Thacker. His method is more reasonable than Hubble's law and is philosophically sound. This fact is also supported by Halt and Arp, in which he suggested that quasars are ejected from active galaxies and are not at their proposed redshift distance. Unfortunately, his time on Mount Palomar Observatory was cut short because of these revelations. It is suggested to the reader to research Mr. Arp's work and build upon it as well as GTSM. Here I link Mr. Thacker's paper. It's in the General Science Journal. It's without the dots and all that stuff. What we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is a replacement of Hubble's law. Mr. Thacker does this. I'm glad he put that paper up on General Science Journal, because we have to start replacing a lot of the theories that establishment considers correct, which are absolutely false. I think the best way to make progress inside of a field where they have flawed theories is not to show how the theories are flawed. What you do is you replace them. Since the stellar evolution models are being replaced by me, and the actual distance determination for quasars have been replaced by Mr. Thacker, and the actual evolution, the galactic evolution, has been replaced by Amratsumian and Halt and Arp. What we have here is a complete overhaul of what it means to study the stars and galaxies. It's very important that we replace the false theories. Railing against them and showing how wrong they are doesn't really do anything. You have to replace them. It's like, imagine you're driving in a car and your tires go flat. Does it do any use to sit there and stare at the tire and say, "You're so flat, you're not getting me anywhere"? No, you replace it with a new tire. That's what we have to do with theory. You have to take the old flat theories such as Big Bang creationism, the nebular hypothesis, which is false in many, many avenues, and the fusion model of stars, and you have to replace them. You have to put new tires on the car after the old ones went flat. It's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. Today is March 6th, 2015. I am Jeffrey Walensky. If you have any comments, please post them below.